Hi there, I'm back with a little mini haul from Tuesday morning. A lot of people have been talking about how Tuesday morning has been paring down their scrapbook section, potentially getting rid of it altogether. I went to 2 Tuesday mornings near me and saw the same thing that everyone has been saying. The section is much smaller. It's not a whole aisle, it's like one bay in the aisle, but I spoke to an associate and they reassured me that they weren't getting rid of it. They're just behind on shipment. They're still getting it in all their shipments. It's just much smaller because of backups and truck deliveries or something. So hopefully she's right. I've definitely heard that they're getting rid of scrapbooking altogether. I've heard that they're paring down craft. So hopefully that is not really the case. But I did find a couple things that were cute-ish. It's actually just 2 things, but they're like little multiple piece sets. So I thought I'd show you. This first one is a 3-piece set. It is what brand even is this? Oh, this is My Mind's Eye. We had a couple of different versions of these, but this is the one I liked. And it was only $12. So I'm going to take it out of the plastic and then show it to you so you don't have to hear all the rustling. I just wanted to show you the full collection together, how it came. So it comes with mixed bag, a little mixed bag is what they call it. And it's 40 pieces with full gold foil accents. So you can see these are all of them. So it's like a little ephemera pack. There's tags, there's some acetate things, paper embellishments, die cuts, things like that. I will open this up and show you. Apparently there's 40 pieces. There's also a button in there, which is kind of random, I think, but here they are. So there's some acetate ones, and this is like a celebration one. There was a bunch of birthday ones, which I thought were cute, but I don't know, I don't scrap that many birthdays, like maybe a couple a year. So I didn't want to get a birthday themed one, but I liked this is just celebration in general. And you'll see there's like stars and like ice cream. This does not have to do with a birthday at all. There's obviously a cake. Welcome Little One is like a baby thing, which is cute. And there's definitely like a lot of generic things. Little arrow, balloon clock, that's really cute. Presents, which you could use this on a Christmas scrap as well if you wanted to. Cake, Sip Sip Hooray could be like New Year's, this could be anything. Yay, anything. And there's some more generic stuff. And then there's also a graduation one somewhere, which is honestly what caught my eye because I graduated from college last year and I haven't scrapped it yet. So this is so silly that this was exciting to me because this is one simple thing, but whatever. And then this one probably spelled out B-Day or HBD is what this is. These little letters. This is HBD. Happy birthday. Congrats, grad. Okay, there's 2 graduation things. Little emojis. Ice cream. So the flamingo. Oh, it's a stork. LOL. Anyway, so that's cool. A little collection of those. And I've definitely been more, oh, there's a few more things. Oh, and a string, that's cute. Random, but cute. So I've definitely been more into ephemera pieces. I feel like they're lower cost than stickers, but they work in the same way. So I like that. And then this is a 6x8 paper pad. I don't know if I've talked about this yet, but I am typically a 12x12 scrapper, I'd say exclusively. But this past year, I decided to make a December daily-esque album. I've never done it before. And I had this, it's up here, this little 4x4 album on hand. And I decided because I hadn't done December daily before, I didn't have a lot of content to put in it. I would just use this little mini album that I had. And it was 4x4, which is a huge jump from 12x12. I guess it's a small jump because it's so tiny. But after doing this, I really enjoyed it. And I want to try finding a different size, and I did a lot of research and thought about it, and I decided that 6x8 would be a fun size to try for my next album. Definitely my next December daily, but also my next anything album. I don't know if it's going to be a trip or something, but my 12x12 albums are so big, and I just have so many piling up, and I'm afraid that it's going to be too much, and I want to keep scrapbooking, but I don't want it to become a thing that I can't store, basically. So 6x8 paper pad, I thought that'd be a fun thing to try. And obviously you can use this on different sizes, but I will open this up Okay, so this is the paper pad. It's double-sided, which is nice, especially if I'm doing a 6x8 album. I could just like leave them. Let me do it this way, actually. I could just use like back-to-back pages. I love this. It does have a bit of a warmer tone to it. I don't usually love like, I usually like white tone paper rather than like off-white or cream tone paper, but this has like a cute vintage kind of 70s-ish vibe to it that I liked. These are all like stuck. But yeah, mostly pretty simple. This is cute, and you honestly could cut that apart and use that. That'd be really cute. Love all the rainbow stuff. I have a big piece of this paper, I think the exact same one. And then it's repeated, I think. But yeah, so it's super, super cute. I'm really excited about using this for sure. And then, and also because it's a 6x8, I'm obviously not making like a birthday album, but these are really cute colors that I would use a lot that I could use just in a generic album for sure. So there's that. And then lastly from this little collection of grouping is the sticker sheet. So it's 6 sheets, over 400 stickers allegedly. And I can just show you through them. So a collection of foil, and the other ones, like it's like kind of that paper matte feeling. I really like those kind of stickers. So it's very cute, good collection. Some of these strips, which I've been using, I'm holding it this way because I feel like it fits in frame better. But it's crooked for you guys, so that's maybe annoying. I also love all of the little banners. I think those are really easy to use in like an embellishment cluster for sure. And then little alphabets, which I feel like these are easy to look over, but I've been trying to use them, putting in effort. Oh, it's a little dirty, but didn't get on the letters, so that's good. And then this last one. So these are really cute. These are definitely colors I really like, kind of like muted, but rainbow is pretty on brand for what I like to use. This is actually really pretty, this one. So that's really cute. Anyway, so that's the stickers. And then the next thing I got, the other thing I got, I would say, this is the only other thing I got, is the same idea. It's like a collection of things. So I will open this up. This was originally 12, but I got it for 9, which is cool. It's again, this is Simple Stories, and it is the Holly Jolly collection. I'm imagining this is from years past. So I will open this up and then show you guys what's inside. Okay, so this comes with 2 ephemera packs. This one is called Bits and Pieces, and this is called Journal Bits and Pieces. So we'll go through those second. This is the sticker sheet, and they are not cardstock, they're just flat paper kind of stickers, but they have a little bit more of a satin to them, where the other past ones were matte. And I really love these. I'm a sucker for the little tabs. I actually have a tab punch in my cart on scrapbook.com, and I'm just waiting for that order to press deliver, or what? Press order. Oh, there's like blue on this one. So maybe Tuesday Morning is getting like their misprints, because this has some like blue ink on it. But anyways, super cute, really simple. Again, muted colors. Again, it's also a little bit warm. It seemed like most of the stuff that they had at Tuesday Morning was warm toned. Could have been just a random thing, but I personally prefer brighter white toned things, but this is definitely really cute. All the little words and just cute little icons. I try when I look at scrapbook supplies to see if I'll use like 75% of it, 2/3 or 75% of it, and if it's less than that, I try not to buy it, because I want to use things that I want to use all of it, not just like, oh, I love this one thing and then everything else I'm not going to use. But like, I like pretty much all the stuff on this thing. I'm not obsessed with these florals. I just think the colors are a little eh. And then the house thing is really cute. I don't know how I will use it, but I'm sure I'll think of something. And then like these candies I'm not super obsessed with, but overall it's really cute. And sometimes I feel like with an album like December Daily, I haven't, obviously I've only done it once, but looking forward to something like that, I feel like sometimes if you get the materials before you make the memories, if that makes sense, it sometimes inspires you to do certain things. Like this is making me think like, oh, we'll make cookies, like we'll roll out dough and make cookies, which is something I don't normally do. I normally like, I don't know, I just don't feel like I use a rolling pin when I make cookies. but it makes me want to because then I can be like, oh, I'll use that in my album, which is maybe kind of dumb, but I don't know. It's just a funny little thing. But anywho, there's that. And then 12 by 12 paper. This is for sure not my vibe, but I will definitely use this side. Cut apart. Green is super cute. I feel like there's not a lot of green in scrapbooking. I love it, but this is also cute. See, like, this is like very dull. It's really kind of trippy looking in the camera, but it's really dull in real life. Like, it's not a very bright red. So maybe I would use these before. And then we have this one, which is actually pretty cute. It's like a little more summery. And then 2x2s, which I think these are really cute. I thought 2x2 squares were stupid at first, but they're really cute for embellishments. And obviously if you're making a tiny album, which my album that I had showed you guys before has, where is it? 2x2 little pockets in it. So that actually could be good. I might use that. I haven't finished this album yet. So I might use those. Why not? That would be perfect. And I did get this. I have more than enough paper. I don't need more paper, but I don't have very many December, Christmas, winter, whatever paper. So that's why I decided to get this. And it was only a few pages, so I thought it wasn't too big of a deal. So there's that. This page is really cute. I like the blue, pink kind of winter colors. I like that a lot more than this. This reminds me of like college bed sheets. This is cute, cross-hatching. This is also pretty cute. A deep red snowflake, which is fun. I like this better though. I really like this. This is a pretty like olive grid. And the cookies, which are cute, but I don't know, it's kind of like just dark. This is super cute. The presents, I like that a lot. More than I like this, but I don't hate this. It's just not like exciting. It's a little bit dreary. I feel like the color scheme of this is a bit dreary. Another snowflake, but they're smaller. And this plaid, I'm not super obsessed with either of those. So, and then this is, I don't know, this color is just kind of like pea green. This side is way cuter. I like this side a lot. This is super like grandma's house. And this is also super grandma's house. So my 75% rule, maybe not true for the paper, but I really like the stickers and hopefully I will like the ephemera. So I'll quickly go through that. Let me get this paper out of your way so it's like less of a overwhelming background. Okay, I've been talking for too long, so I'll try and go through these quickly. And there's 2 of them, so okay. Holiday traditions, which is cute. And I like that these things are kind of small because they'll work in a smaller album. 'Tis the season, rocking around the Christmas tree, happiest season of all, Noel, baby all I want for Christmas is you. It's 2x2, which is cute. Maybe I won't go through all of these, but little words, and these obviously don't have any gold on them, and they're all paper. So like little labels and different things, circles, squares, banners, things like that. So just some confetti for you to look at. And then, oh, I like this, a half circle. That's super cute. Hey Santa, love a tag. This is really adorable. Definitely use that. Happy holidays, merry and bright, perfect. Tree. Oh, that's cute. That'd be cute for like picking out a tree. Like, you know, you point to the one, oops, in the photo of like all the Christmas tree farms. And then another one, which is more of, not the same, but more similar things. There's this girl holding presents, which I totally have a picture of myself from like years past in that exact same pose. Just with a bunch of presents dropping off. That is cute. Don't love the holiday florals. Cheer. If you're a cheerleader, you could use that for that too. Mary. I like the fa la la la. That's cute. And I really love the snow globe. That's kind of random. Cute. So just like quickly going through them. You can make like a little tree thing collection. That could be cute. Holly jolly. I love the little mitten. I love this little skinny tree. So you can see there's a ton of stuff. This is super, oh, that's really funny. That's like a very like Southern California Christmas, which is where I live. So cute. Okay, so yeah, that's that. That's my pile. You can see I have plenty of ephemera. I don't need any more Christmas ephemera, but I just wanted to pop up and show you guys some things. I know Tuesday morning has been a little bit sad. If you're a Tuesday morning person, I definitely want to hear if you guys have stuff at your Tuesday morning. Have they had anything at all? Has it been ugly stuff? Has it been cute stuff? Have you heard any news from anyone who knows the inside scoop at Tuesday morning? Do you have a Tuesday morning near you at all? I know a lot of people don't. Definitely if you're not in the US, and I know across the country a lot of people don't have them, or that they've been closing down. I have 4 or 5 around me, but they kind of all seem to be similar. Like when they're good, they're all good, but when they're bad, they're all bad. So there was more stuff. There was definitely a lot of stuff like I showed you, especially sets like this. There was like 4 different sets like this. There was 2 birthday ones, a boy and a girl theme, like a feminine masculine theme. There was this one, and there was one with like summery cactusy type things, and there was a Valentine's Day one. So if you're into like this kind of a thing, definitely go check that out. There's a lot of paper, but otherwise they also had those big, these things. They had a bunch of these guys. It's like huge, but I get mine at Michael's when they're on sale. I only have like 3 of them, but they had 2 of them for $10, which I think is a really good deal. I don't know if it's cheaper with a coupon at Michael's or competitive. I wanted one more, but I didn't want to buy 2, and I didn't know if it was the best deal, and I didn't really need it that badly, so I skipped on that. But if you need those, they are also there. So that is where I'm gonna leave for today. I will clean this mess up, and I will catch you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.